says about cooperative bank.
Okay.
So these are the things that you have to look upon. Rest, I know that you have credit experience, so there is no need of asking you credit questions, and you have been with me and one of the brightest student of mine, so I don't have to worry
Thank you, sir.
about the credit terminologies. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Yeah.
So please work on it. So that's why
Yeah.
I wanted to go with you with the flow of the question, not the way I know you. So
Thank you, sir. Yeah, sure.
that
I'll
was
work on that. Yeah.
yeah.
It's
Thank you.
being actually, sir, I want to convey a message to the person who is joining you. Actually,
Okay.
when I joined you along just a couple of months back, like in September, so I was not aware about these things, like the basic terms which you used to tell us in your classes. So
Thank you.
that was really impressive. And actually, I want to share one example you have given very first time in your credit management class, that marriage proposal. Actually, this is totally different from the interview perspective. But actually,
Okay.
I want to give that a lady come to you when you are working in XYZ organization, and she was asking about you to check a credit of a person. So
Whom
you are
you asked
supposed
to
to,
marry? Yeah.
yes, exactly. So that was actually, I mean, apart from the jokes, sir, actually it is totally related to our principles. Like if somebody's came to any organization to check the credit, means that lady is checking the credit about that person, where that she wanted to just give his entire life to that person. So just to check his credibility, that whether he is able to fulfill all his needs in the future and all. So these are the means you have just correlated that case to that particular lady with the credit. Like if somebody is coming to you, the bank, what bank is doing, just check the credibility of that particular person, whether he is able to repay the loan
Yeah.
to
Yeah.
the entire term. So what are the principal like safety, liquidity, and profitability, which you have told. So I've just totally correlate that case to this particular thing. So I get to know the entire this thing.
No,
So that
because I know because I know banking is a very boring subject that I
yeah,
know.
exactly.
So sometimes it requires to make an appeal with students. You have to give some extra example. Okay, I
Yeah,
try to stick to the classes, to the concepts, but sometimes it goes out of the flow. Okay, so
correct.
I don't try to make a lot of fun in class, but this happens. This normally
Yeah.
happens, and this comes with experience actually. Here also Nasreen has conveyed her message that sir, you are giving personal attention to everyone. That's why everyone want to join. So nowadays I'm getting so many appreciations around the country. So that's good. That's so nice of you, and so nice of people those
Thank
who
you,
are
sir.
joining me. And I know that there are so many people who are trying to drag me. I think you have witnessed all that, but they will not succeed. I can guarantee you. I have this much of faith on me and my students, because so when you work on contents, this happens. So when you joined, it was the very early stage. We are just
Yeah.
4 or 5 months old in this online teaching,
Yes, yes,
and
yes.
this much of success nobody has got.
Sir, actually, I'm struggling with the course. Like I have already purchased and get a membership of so many this thing. Like I have already told you in a message, but
Mm-hmm.
I did not get anything suitable at that time.
Yes.
So I just left all those things. Like when I joined your class very first time, that class was about credit management quiz. And actually, sir, I'm working in the big branch, which is a 700 crore branch, and my
Mm-hmm.
timing is from 11 to 8, means doing entire thing. And we do follow up all the procedures like reconciliation and everything by end of the day. So I did not get time to join you on the time, but still I'll try my level hard to join you on a specific time when you are sending link in the group. So it was really uh,
Okay, no, that's great. But the thing is that why they are not they are taking so much of money, and why they couldn't provide accurate study material. The issue is that we are developing. I must admit that I am developing every single day. We are adding our contents. We are creating it. When you join,
yes,
we are having very less content. In between, we have created it, right? but why they could not provide you proper solution, proper guidance? And yesterday I take all these queries about how this DB will be on, what you have to bring, because they don't have such ideas, because they were not the bankers. Either they failed to join as a banker, or they left it in initial stage. Many of them have were not successful to crack a bank exam, and they started bank coaching. And bank, I must accept that they are very good at teaching people in PO and clerical level, but they can never be good in specialist officer, lateral entry, promotional exam, etc., because it's all about domain, it's all about your experience, and only experienced one can tell you. So that is the thing. I don't say that I am the only person who can teach so good. There are thousands of experienced bankers, and even I have made someone join to our group today to mentor us. So you see that much of appeal I have in banking sector. But we are different than them. We are current banking experience, we know what is going to happen, and what are the current developments, why, what bankers are talking right now, what, how these interviews are being taken. I have been part of both interview board, and I still till now I take interviews. If it is possible in scale 4 5 level exams are coming, I will be appearing them personally. Okay. And prior to coming this, I was always planning to come up. Due to COVID, everybody shifted to online, then I started and it got the momentum. I was waiting for such a good day. But before that, I have even appeared this Bank of Maharashtra, up to Bank of Maharashtra scale 3 exam interview. I have gone to interview. I said them I will not join. I spoke with them. I attended it. I spent 50,000 rupees to attend this interview in Raipur. Entire exactly 50,000 rupees. So what to do? Just to tell them that I will not join. I answered their questions, and at the end I said I'm currently working as a scale 3 manager, so I may not join. That is it. I may not join. So why I did so? Because to understand, because I wanted me to be a top candidate for upcoming scale 4 interview. That was there in my mind. I don't, because the real mock, which is the real mock, then my mock interview, the real mock, if some of you will fail, the real mock will be the one you are going to give in PNB, or those of you who are given in BOI. That is the real mock. If you are not big enough to fail, you are not big enough to lose. You have to fail in a few interviews to crack the last one, right? So that's why you tell people, encourage people to go and attend the interviews, even if you know that you don't know anything, right? Yes. So I have other experiences, but I don't share everything to it. So, but almost the love I'm getting is overwhelming. That's why I'm enjoying it, and I'm taking so many classes. Yeah. As I said yesterday, I cancelled all my tours. Okay, but still, you people are giving us such a nice feedback.
Yes.
So thank
Actually,
you.
sir, I'm looking for you. I mean, just look after you. Like whenever I'll get time, I'll definitely come with you by a face-to-face round. But I did not get suitable time to come with. I mean, this is the time actually, the banking holidays and all. So
Okay.
I messaged you yesterday that sir, I will
Yes,
be
yes,
joining the
yes.
mock test today, and
Yes,
we'll have a
yes, yes.
live face-to-face session.
Okay,
And
thank
it
you.
was really nice.
Yeah,
Really nice
thank you,
talking to
Anil. Thank you, Anil. I will try to make you proud of this class. So I work hard for that.
Sure, sir.
Because this comes with a responsibility. This comes with a responsibility. Even I start thinking what I have to teach in next class, even whole of night. Even I could see me messaging people at 2 o'clock, at 3 o'clock. So
Yes.
that's come with a lot of responsibility. Okay, thank you. That insight is truly wonderful. I will run this. I will run this in YouTube also.
Sure, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, welcome.
Yeah.